Hi everyone, this is Pam here. Welcome to my channel. Mother's Day is coming very soon. I wish all the mothers out there a very happy Mother's Day. So today, I'm making a Mother's Day card for my mother as well. I got this beautiful embossed cardstock from my friend. How beautiful it is. I'm using the yellow and green inks to add some color to this beautiful embossed cardstock. Next, I'm working on the 3 butterflies. I die cut out 2 butterflies to give the card some dimension, but leave the 3rd butterfly flat, and so I'm using the blue ink to give it some color. Here I'm making a mistake. I'm supposed to adhere a craft foam to the back of the white embossed cardstock. However, I still want to adhere the craft foam, so I adhere it to the back of the beige cardstock instead. I cut the craft foam to a size that is a bit smaller than the beige cardstock. Before I adhere the front of the card, I stamp the sentiment onto the card base. You can call this card done, but I want to do something special inside the card. This is the inside of the card. It is a A2 size cardstock. I fold it into half, and then I make sure the side that I folded is at the top. I leave 2 cm on each side of the card. Then I use a craft knife to cut out 2 cm long on each side of the card. Then, I line my ruler up and score the card from the 2 cm point to the other 2 cm point. I flip the card and do the same. Now, I fold the 3 score lines. And when you bring this out, there it is. I have another embossed cardstock, and so I did exactly the same as the one on the front of the card. Cut out all the empty space and the butterflies. I took out 2 acetate and adhered the 2 butterflies on the acetate. This will create a scene like the butterflies are flying on top of the flowers. I found the background is a little too plain, and so I added 1 more butterfly and decorate the background a little. Now I can call this card done. I hope you enjoyed this card. Happy Mother's Day, and I'll see you next time.